Hey guys, welcome to the channel. So I'm out here with my Honda CRF300L, but as you can see, I'm scuffing my frame up here a little bit here. Now mine is not nearly as bad as some people I see that it really gets rubbed, but it is doing a little bit. So I want to put something on here to protect it. And what I have is some frame guards here. I bought these from Rocky Mountain ATV MC. They did not send these to me to review or nothing. I actually paid for them with my own money. So we're going to take them out of the package and stick them on here. They should look good. I got the gray black. I think you can also get a red black, but I like the gray because it still matches the frame. And they should work pretty good. Should be easy to install. So let's go ahead and do it. So as far as what comes with them, you just get these protectors, and then you get some O-rings. It works like rubber bands. And you get a sticker and some instructions. That's what you get. So the one on the right side of the bike is supposed to protect your brake master cylinder, also protect up the frame just like that. You do have to remove this factory little guard right here with the M5 Allen bolt because it's going to go in this spot right here. Then we put the rubber bands on to hold this on. So first off, we'll remove this M5 right here. Take off the OEM little plastic guard, but don't guard much, like so. Then we take the right side one here. So basically you got this part here that snaps in to your frame where your swing arm bolt is. Pushes into place so you can't get it in the wrong spot really. And then we'll put our Allen bolt back in here. So as far as the instructions, it does tell you what you have. You have, of course, 4 of the C O-rings, 4 of the D O-rings, the larger ones and smaller ones. And then it tells you where to put the C's and D's on the bike. So right up here on top, we'll use a D, which is the long one. And this one's an easy one to get to. So basically, you're just going to hook it over this little hook right here, run it around behind your frame, and hook it on the other hook. We're going to do it from the bottom one first. Bring this around just like that. Now our O-ring is on there. And it showed we use a small one here and a small one here. So this one, we should be able to get to this. We go like this. Bring our O-ring under and just hook it like that. This one also gets the small one. So this one I'm just going to kind of stick in here and hook it on this side. Then I should be able to just reach around here like so. And there she is. Okay, so on this side, we just have this part that pushes in right here, like on the right side. And there's no Allen bolt on this one. So we just take this, push it into place like so. We'll take a large one that goes on the top. Put that one on. It's going to be a small one here. And then this one here, which is probably going to be the hardest one to get. You could actually take an 8mm and take this chain guard off, but I think I'm going to try to get it without doing that. Okay, I put it on the front here first. Then I'm going to use my hook tool and hook it and bring it right around like that. And we got it. So I did take the little tab, bend it back, and move my kickstand wire back out of the way because it needs to actually go under your kickstand wire. But there you go. Super cool. Okay guys, so there you go. It did leave us with 1 extra small O-ring and 1 extra large O-ring, just in case you break one in the future, I guess. But the Acerbis frame guards for the Honda CRF300L, and you can see this does have this rubber on the side. It's kind of a hard rubber, but to kind of give you some more grip also. As I said, I got these from Rocky Mountain ATV MC, and I will post a link in the description where you can check them out. Thank you all for watching. Click the thumbs up. to subscribe, hit the bell icon, you'll be notified when I put out a new video, and we'll catch you all in the next one. Right on.